Hi, this is Rich Sparks, and thank you for checking out 38340 Yonkers, located in Sterling Heights, Michigan, just south of 17 Mile and west of Mount. Now, check out this neighborhood. Nice, clean neighborhood, very, very well taken care of. This is one of my favorite parts is you have a newer roof with a transferable warranty. This is going to protect your investment for years to come, and it's quite beautiful. Now, here's the super duper bonus. This house is having all new windows, including the sliding glass doors installed August 31st. So, right there, two of the major updates in any home is done for you right off the bat, making this house a great value at $240,000. In the wintertime, enjoy this natural fireplace. And I do like the cathedral ceilings in here. It gives a little bit of volume, making it feel more spacious. Hey, don't hesitate. Do give us a call because we don't think this property is going to last long. The kitchen area features vinyl plank flooring. You're going to love this material. It's waterproof. It has just a little bit of cushion to it. And the seller has installed new stainless steel appliances, stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, all brand new for you. Hey, if you want, we'll even throw in those plastic cups for your housewarming party. Now, the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. Nice size with dual closets. Notice the carpeting. The carpeting throughout the entire home is very, very clean. I'm not sure when they put that in, but it looks pretty daggone new to me. And that's one of the things I really like about this house is it's clean and move-in ready. You know, you don't mind moving into a home knowing you have some projects to do, but it's tough when you can't even move into it until those projects are done. In this house, you don't have to worry about it. It is clean and move-in ready. Hey, just to let you know, in the basement, it is plumbed for another bath. It's actually has a toilet and sink down there. You just have to throw some walls up. And I believe it's plumbed for a shower too. Not positive about that, but you could access it. Now, this backyard is fenced in, perfect for your kids or pets, because we don't want them just running about. So if you have Fido, you can just go out in the backyard, or even Rover, go out in the backyard and play with them, and it makes it for a very nice situation. Now, priced at $240,000, we really don't think this property is going to last, so don't hesitate. Call us today. Area code 248-923-5500. This is Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty. Thanks for watching.